I'm just crossing my fingers that everything goes well today and that we're able to open tomorrow.
The owner of Silver Spoon Diner hoping the redrawing of lockdown lines will mean his Elmhurst restaurant can go back to indoor dining, only getting a taste of 25% capacity before the state shut down certain zones earlier this month due to a spike in COVID cases.
We were notified that they're putting a red zone in Regal Park. We didn't realize we're going to be the outskirts on the orange zone because we're a different zip code.
And missing the yellow zone where indoor dining is allowed by a few blocks. But as infection rates are improving, the state is taking a new approach to zoning, moving from zip codes to a block-by-block assessment.
New York City, you have one factor for spread. If you're in the middle of the North Country, you have another factor for spread. An orange zone under 2% after 10 days, 3% in less populated areas. A yellow zone under 1.5 after 10 days, 2% in less populated areas.
Meanwhile, Mayor de Blasio announcing a vaccine plan this morning, prioritizing frontline workers and vulnerable New Yorkers in Phase 1 and expanding efforts to the general public in Phase 2.
It's one thing to think about a vaccine or talk about a vaccine. It's a very different thing to actually reach millions and millions of people. That's going to take a lot of hard work, a lot of logistical work, a lot of communication and education. But that preparation is happening right now.
But when a vaccine would become available is still unknown. Unfortunately, New York's neighbors are seeing a spike in cases. Health officials in New Jersey attribute this to social indoor gatherings, not schools or businesses, which Governor Murphy says makes the spread even harder to contain.
These are mostly gatherings that are beyond our ability to effectively regulate or easily enforce compliance.
The tri-state area has added Arizona and Maryland to its travel advisory list, bringing the total to 40 states and territories. Even though New Jersey, Connecticut, and Pennsylvania all technically meet New York's threshold to be added to that list, Governor Cuomo says they are exempt. However, urging residents not cross state lines unless it's essential. Governor Cuomo, again, is still outlining his plan on the zones, but did say as far as Queens goes, the red and orange zones will now move to yellow. Of course, we'll have more on this on CBS New York. We are live in Regal Park, Queens. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Jenna, thank you.